How's my hair? Action, or are you rolling still? StabiliGrip really Hey, it's Clayton back with another Monday Minute, and today we're coming to you from the Legend Studio. Today we're talking about Legend flooring, something we take great pride in. We know that our floor is the strongest, most robust, tear-resistant, dent-resistant, grippy, hardworking floor on the market. StabiliGrip, you know it, you love it, but sometimes you don't need to be the strongest man in the room. Sometimes you need to stretch and do Pilates, and that is where our new floor, BaseAir, comes in. Some of the main differences and areas that you would find this floor useful is a low impact environment. You might be the heaviest thing that gets in and out of your vehicle all day. This floor is going to be great. It's going to give your vehicle some protection and you some slip protection. It's also going to erase the ribs in the back of the van, making it easier to slide lightweight boxes in and out and reduce some trip hazards. StabiliGrip, we know it. It's a tank. Throw what you want at it, it's going to outlast your vehicle. Which industries do we see using different flooring? Well, StabiliGrip, it really shines in the heavy-duty work environment. Think mechanics, think plumbers, construction crews, anywhere where your van takes a beating, and this floor will definitely be the core for your vehicle. You can mount shelves to it, you can throw heavy picks, axes on it, nothing bad is going to happen. It will outlast your vehicle. BaseAir is better suited for a low-impact environment. Think rental fleets, leasing companies, or parcel deliveries, anything where the heaviest thing getting in and out is usually you or a small parcel sliding around. As someone that's been around vans for quite a few years, something I find very interesting about this that might set it apart from other similar products on the market, check out this video of how quickly this floor can be installed. I think it's a real game changer. And that is where our new floor, BaseAir, comes in. Done?
It looks like you're squinting.
I am. We got like the two suns looking at me. Do I have to redo that?
Yeah,